I'm Tirumurthy. I'm a franchisee of Erode and also Mysore. I am nice to be here and I'm happy to be a franchisee partner of Advanced Grower and Goods. Actually, I am here today for participating in the annual meet of Advanced Grower and Glowskin. This is my first meet and I'm very proud to be a part of this event. And this is a wonderful moment for me. My long dream is today achieved. So I became an proud entrepreneur under the wonderful Advanced Grower and Glowskin brand. So I am very happy to be here and part of this event. Today, this event almost all over India, whomever franchisee partners are there are participated. The hall is very colorful, and I have not expected my brand is having this many team to motivate us and to honor us. So this be a very good moment and cherished moment. So this used us to kickstart the next financial year in a successful manner. Thanks for the organizing team for arranging this wonderful event in a very great manner, and I thank each and every one of the Advanced Grower team for making this event very grand.